Hey, how you doing? We're gonna have a little fun here, and I gotta find a whacker, okay? So anyway, we got limbs here. Yeah. Okay, I can whack with that and hopefully not hurt my hand, so come on, let's go whack something. Cabo, I really hate to do this to you, buddy. All right, no. All right, so what we have here is Dos Equis. I hate to do this. This is against my better judgment. I'm gonna get beer all over me. But we're gonna film it, we see what happens, okay? This is the redneck way to open a can of beer. Yes, it's totally a can of beer. Oh my gosh, here goes beer everywhere. Ready, set. Well, it went flying, but I didn't hit it solid. I actually got a little bit off to the side, and that's okay. I'll turn it this way. I'll smack it again. This is how we flatten our cans to get rid of them. This is Brad. Brad TV, we'll talk to you later. Bye.